was CoLab at Yes Delft, and the setup was that you create an environment where co-founders can meet each other, both the ones which have an idea and the ones which don't have an idea but which have the will to become a co-founder in a startup.
During a workshop at CoLab, we typically create a vibe that's really high-paced. It's a small pressure cooker, really energetic and also a lot of fun. We really try to push the potential startups and potential co-founders out of their comfort zone, but also at the same time create a safe environment where they can pitch for the first time and talk about their idea that they have.
Everybody was trying to help each other, that was nice. I didn't feel pressured, especially the organizers. They're putting lots of energy in the show, cheering before every single pitch and cheering after every single pitch. When you just pitched and then you get a big round of applause, that's a big push.
For me, the most important takeaway of today at Yes Delft with CoLab is that there are incomplete teams out there, people who could be the co-founder and who together with other participants could join to actually start building a company.